Hurry to silver level is a 52-inch polished glass Hampton Huntington III that got Hampton yesterday for the price of $15, and it was a 25% off, so I got for like 11 something. So yeah, everything okay shit. It came with 4 small clear bottles. One was blacked out and the rest was black. So I threw those in the garbage. It came with its original pull flops, but not the original extensions. It came with really long extensions that were half the size. So I just cut them to make them shorter like this and make it look really good. The boy edition was disgusting. I cleaned it by my boy just some marks on this wood. But it needs to be cleaned more. But one of the boy brackets was bent way the fuck up. So it made it wobble really bad. It was up right here, it was pretty busy. So somehow I get an almost perfect one that nothing has no wobble. So I'm part of that. The bends are bad, but they're a little bit quiet, but noticeably bad. It even came with the mudbucket, which is surprising because that's how Maverick has the mudbuckets with the fans. But I had, and I bought extra mudbuckets I found for a buck. I was also had to buy mudbucket. And good thing I did because I used the original mudbucket, but it was fucked up because I mounted the fan with its original mudbucket and it came off its bracket. So I had to use the spare mudbucket that I bought. I do have the original mudbucket because I was just fucked up. So yeah. Shelf the white cut. I lowered to the fan onto low speed. I just soak these in water because it's changed. I got them okay, they were what duty for, so. As well, it's got a nice low speed. It's kind of sexy looking. And good faking. It can be everything except for campus screws. But no, I found some. Until after 2 campus screws. Who cares? Campus not what holds the fan up, so. Well, it used to be a little slower when the bench would put staff. So. It has a short spin now. It's a little longer than it used to be, but not much. It's spin now. Well, it's not that saggy at all. It's pretty spicy. Fans are older than watching doing that trip on that fucking bookie. One more goddamn motherfucking donut. Swear to God. And we're gonna meet it now. It's a good movie too. Ain't gonna lie. It's definitely good movie. I'm proud of how I got these bleeds and how I got to not wobble at all. Brands up inside, but like still would do. I couldn't clean them. I couldn't clean them up perfectly. It's hard to clean. I didn't feel like taking the blade brackets off the morning. It's got good mean to it. So I'm making very moist. Alright, let's go high speed now. No wobble, which I'm so shocked I got to Evermore wobble. Squeaking, you hear the burning soda. Piece of shit washers on. So you can't hear it. Shut the fuck up. Stupid goddamn washer. It's going pretty fast, actually. That's wrong for them. People say, oh, Huntington III. Yeah, fuck you people. It's good old things. I've been one English fingers for a while. I finally guess it. I was like, oh, holy shit. She's coming home with me, bitch. Sure to hit the white cut. Get back on. Bend down, pussies. It started from noise in the background. The washer's going. I got a bunch of fans in the background going. Because it's hot. So, yeah. Boys at times I would say goodbye, but not much. I like how it works. So, there's one more is now. I had stopped. So, I back what's the heart. I can't find 4 small little bulbs, so I put 2 small and 2 big ones. Don't buy them that much. I got 2. What's this one? 2 big ones will tell everybody we can't wait till. I should did this. There you go, almost got Congo boy down. Let me do that as well. Somehow doing that. Slower up, but bush moves stronger, so my fans. That's high. Turn up, go do close-ups. See, this is some of the noise you hear in the background right here. So. So we have white sage, the small bulb, and then the bigger ones. The bigger one here and here, and the small one there. There. One switch. There you go. Pause on my shoulder. Stop swinging. Like an old bitch. Okay, there we go. Also it says Stop them. Yeah, I didn't wash these anymore. When I wash them, look, the brushes come off of me washing them. Oh, and some butter about before you cut the thing itself really short on both of them. I don't know why it was up there, but it's right there when I got it. So, and the bread brackets, the plate. Let me see top of that. The tags and, yeah, you gotta. Oh, god damn. Bomb bust my dick. Top of bread, the chili on top of the oakum line. There's one thing. It's so deep. What's that say? 2012? No? 2002. I wish I made 2002. Guess tag right there as well. So that was a little tag there. But there's some more tags. Okay. Let's get the spring loaded shades. Sockets. This one actually has the regular sockets, my anti-blast Huntington III, which I don't think I ever did separately of, has the appliance bulb sockets, like this has. So, yep, let's reverse it and put it on high. Actually, now I'll do off camera. I'm gonna put even more oil and turn on high and have it should try to get transcribed. Alright, well, I hope it's when you push these elections. Go, peace out.